Hi everybody. Coffee. Great day for coffee, great day for a video. Yo, what a topic. Bitcoin and NFTs. I mean, what? Bitcoin is a fungible token. It can be replicated. An NFT is a non-fungible token. What is a non-fungible token? I'm fascinated. And this is so interesting because it is a digital asset. I'm finished because we're in the world, and I'm not making light of it, but where in the world is something like this a tradable asset? Yes, it's digital. How does it work? Is the world so euphoric and gone into this exuberant state? Is there a need for a new way to invest other than the traditional investing? Is there too much money around? Are people just bored with the norm? I'm confused. I'm interested. I'm fascinated. So, for example, a digital asset that recently sold, two examples that really got my head around what an NFT is, for example, the CEO of Twitter sold his first tweet and sold for $2.9 million. A tweet sold for $2.9 million to an investor, or whether it be investor or just an interested party. Another digital artist by the name of Beeple, who his last artwork sold for $100. He's a digital artist, and he recently sold his latest piece. I think it's called 5,000 Days, or The Last 5,000 Days, and it was his own digital work since 2007 and was sold at Christie's auction house for $69 million. A digital art piece. Now, wow, I am truly fascinated. You know, this is a whole new world we're moving into, where anybody seems to be able to get involved and jump on this whole new era of where one can make money or where you can use your skill sets. Me, I think I'm going to stick to real estate. Happy investing.